Hey guys, so on the 17th of February 2022, that is where I got my first affiliate payout, okay? My first affiliate commission. As you can see on your screen, that is the first affiliate commission that I made with affiliate marketing. And in today's video, I want us to break it down into smaller bits. If you've seen so many videos around, so many affiliate marketing gurus telling you they're making thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing, maybe you've tried so many methods and they are not working for you. Okay, I want us to start something small. I want us to go on a smaller pace so that we can grow it. As you can see, my first commission, okay, that was in February 2022, was $132.05. That is what you see on the screen. And just about yesterday, the payout that I got for my affiliate commission, this is just for one platform, okay, was $710.05 US dollars. Okay, I've also put that on your screen as well. You can see that as well. So from the first payment, that is $132, okay, to yesterday's payment that I received, that was $710. It tells you the pace at which I have grown these revenues. All right, so what I'm going to talk to you about is I'm going to talk to you about some few things that I learned over the period, okay, things that I tried that did not work for me, and things that I tried which are actually working as far as affiliate commissions are concerned, and affiliate marketing in general is concerned. If you've tried it in the past, you know that affiliate marketing is really difficult and it's not for the faint-hearted. Okay, so first things first, in starting affiliate marketing, I tried to sell so many products, so many things. Any program that I think is affiliate marketing program, I just hop onto it. But that did not really help me because I realized that most of the things I was selling, I didn't really have the audience to sell it to. So the first step, not to waste so much time, the first step is I made sure that I slimmed down to only products that were relatable to my audience. All right, I'm going to show you some strategies that I've been using, 3 of them. Okay, then you can tap into those strategies. Once you find the strategies, then you can know the audience that you have, then you can pick the product. But if you are trying to make money with affiliate marketing and you have some products that you are currently promoting, okay, the first thing you need to think about is to make sure that you slim down, even if it is just 2 affiliate programs. Currently, I have a few, about 4 of them, but if it is just a few affiliate programs, even if it is 2, and you know that you have the right audience, you can make the right amount of money, it is best. All right, always make sure that whatever you are promoting is relatable to your audience. So when you have the platforms or the products you want to promote, that is the first thing. I chose Fiverr, okay, because it's a freelancing platform. I chose Hostinga, that is my favorite because it's a hosting platform and I'm a digital person. So those are the 2 platforms that I chose primarily. Then I chose Evanto Market. Evanto Market is also a platform for freelancers to be able to have digital assets like themes, templates, scripts, plugins, and all the rest. So I feel that these 3 platforms are going to go a long way to help me because all the people that are around me definitely need a website. They're web developers, they're students trying to learn web development, and the rest. So those are my main reasons for choosing those platforms. And then I thought of other external platforms that are going to be very beneficial to whatever I was doing, and that was social media followers. So I hopped onto KickYouTube. It's a platform where you can buy streams, YouTube, and all of that. And this is for somebody that is not a a digital person, but maybe someone that is running a YouTube channel, a social media influencer. They can all go there to buy services, and I can make money off it. So these are the 4 platforms that I have put most of my focus on. So whatever you're doing, whatever affiliate platforms or programs you have, make sure you slim down first. That is the first thing. So I am doing KickYouTube, I'm doing Fiverr, I'm doing Hostinga, then I'm doing Evanto Element. Evanto Element actually has the Placeit platform too, where Placeit is where you can get videos, vector files for your content creation as well. So look at the audience first. Now once we have the audience, all right, we're going to look at how we can actually make a sale. It's 3 things, like I told you. One, the first thing is I am a service provider. I build websites for clients. Okay, so if I'm building websites for clients, I can sell my affiliate products as well. If I have to charge you, say, $1,000 for a website, and then I say, okay, I'm going to charge you $800. Your hosting fee is, say, $600, or maybe $500 or $300. Okay, for 4 years. I'm selling 4 years because I know what I'm going to get in return. And Hostinger is actually paying me 60% of what you are paying for web hosting. So if I charge you $800 and then you go and buy web hosting from Hostinger for $500, 60% still comes to me. So that is one leverage. I have something that people are willing to get and pay for. Okay, that is a web design skill. So if you're an affiliate marketer or someone that is providing affiliate marketing, trying to make commissions from affiliate marketing, one key thing is to make sure you have a particular thing, mostly a skill or a product, so that when customers are coming to you, you can be selling it on the side to them. All right. The second thing is to have a platform. It could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or maybe just a social media platform where you have a little bit of command. So on this YouTube channel, if you look in the description of this video and most of the videos I've done, I put the link there that people that wants to buy web hosting can just click the link and go to Hostinger. Or maybe people that want freelancing services can click the link and come to Fiverr on my account in Fiverr. So when you come to Fiverr, you buy the service from me, I still get commission as an affiliate on Fiverr, even though you are buying the service directly from me. So it's something simple. All right. Make sure that you also have the platform, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel. I used to have a blog in the past, but I don't have it anymore. But over there, you can also be writing content about these services and linking people to the affiliate programs. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. That is the truth. A lot of people give up on affiliate marketing because sometimes for 3 months you don't see anything. It's like planting a tree. I've had so many students in affiliate marketing that give up in first month, second month, third month. All right, that is the point where they give up because they feel that if something is going to work, it should work in the beginning. But affiliate marketing is definitely not like that. People start blogs, work on the blog for 2 years before they start raking in the dollars. But when the dollars start coming, it's a flow, it's a consistent cash flow because you have the people. 2, you've made enough registrations on this affiliate platform. 3, all the people that have registered through your link on these platforms are going to maybe buy in the future. And most affiliate programs actually have this cookie policy that is 90 days. So trust me, if you're not seeing results in the beginning, it shouldn't be a reason to give up. If you start a regular business, there is no way you make profits in your first month. You're going to make profit in maybe some 90 days or even 180 days later. But when the profits start coming in, it's consistent because people know you, people trust you, and then you can grow it over and over again. All right, so the second point is make sure you have the platform. The final thing, all right, is you can make use of platforms that dominate search engine result. Example is maybe Pinterest. Now, most affiliate marketers, if you go on Pinterest, a lot of the platforms or the pages on Pinterest are affiliate pages. That is where most affiliate marketers make their money. They just go on Pinterest, look at areas of interest of most buyers, okay? Things that people want to buy, and then they make posts around it. Pinterest is like the easiest. I'll be showing you something small on my screen to help you understand how the strategy of Pinterest actually works. So if you want to start small, use this video that I've shown you. My starting amount 132 in February 2022. That is about 2 years ago. That was my first payout for the affiliate commissions. Okay, and then I've shown you what I actually made just yesterday. Okay, also close to $800. You can see just from a single platform, which is not bad. All right, let it be an inspiration for you. Don't look at the videos that are going to say, oh, you make $10,000 tomorrow, next week you make $20,000 tomorrow. Trust me, if they're making $20,000 through the affiliate program, they won't even have time to make YouTube videos for you. So think of how you can start small and grow it consistently. I've been doing affiliate marketing, if not for anything at all, since my first payout. All right, from February 2022 all through to now. So in the last 2 years, even if I've made just $2,000 from this platform, it is worth it, right? It means that I made at least $90 or $100 every single month, if you calculate. Even if I've made entirely $2,000, it means I've made some $90 to $100, and this is not a full-time work. It's not even a part-time work. It's a casual thing. You just do it as and when you feel. So basically, I'll do it for a lifetime, and as long as the commissions keep coming in, I'm going to also try and learn new things and implement them. So start small. Slim down to a certain category of products which you think are relatable to the people that are around you, or the content you'll be creating, or the skills that you possess, or what you are doing. That's the first thing. And then when you know these platforms, okay, you slim down to these opportunities that you have, these affiliate programs, then look at the platform. Where do I sell these affiliate programs? That's another very important thing. whether you have a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, anything that you think people are going to come there to consume content, where you can relevantly, okay, the keyword is it must be relevant. If you are selling something else and you're promoting something else, trust me, it is definitely not going to work for you. Make sure that you have the platform, the medium to promote these affiliate platforms, and don't spam people. Don't be sending people compulsory links for them to sign up to your affiliate programs. It doesn't work like that. Let it work out naturally. Okay, let things work out naturally, and definitely when the results start coming in, you'll definitely make some cool cash from these affiliate platforms. Affiliate marketing is real. Loads and loads of people are making money with affiliate marketing, and YouTube can start something for yourself. Let me know your thoughts on this particular video. Let me know your experiences with affiliate marketing, and I will catch you in the next one.